So, for them take Usain Bolt money because the man never go with the Prime Minister to a meeting, to a triad meeting, so he can get funded, right, for the election that was coming up and Usain Bolt turning down, right? And now for him give Horace Strong, the acting Prime Minister of Jamaica, and I give him $21 million on top of his salary him already I get. That is a problem. That is a serious problem. And if Jamaican people don't see something wrong with that, then something is seriously wrong with the Jamaican public. You know what I say? Something is wrong with that. Why Horace Strong, what everybody at Jamaica have to be the acting Prime Minister? It's because them are leading into a direction of selling Jamaica out to the Asian people them. If you don't see what go on, them already build a road. Now them are going to come and them are going to build everything else at Jamaica, the skyscraper building them. You don't see what go on in a Mobile or Spanish town. I think I pay Chinese people at work. I forgot which hospital it is, but I think one of the hospitals them in our countryside. I pay Chinese people at work over there. How is that possible? You know, Jamaican people will live in the community and work on the side there. That can't go in America, you know. Because if a site there in America, and it run in our community, see? And the people in the community want to work and them tell them, say, no, the site can't get shut down. So I say, oh, a whole bunch of Chinese people come to Jamaica to rebuild the hospital, and there's not one Jamaican citizen. They're working with them to learn the trade, so them can teach about the trade to the Jamaican people, them, so them can start develop these kind of tactics and develop these kind of trades, so them don't have to import nobody to come to Jamaica to help to build up Jamaica, so we can learn. Brother, you know, sister, be a foolish.